So today we're going to talk about amino acid structure, and we're going to use molecular models to do it. So this is a view of our final product, and we're going to compose this amino acid and start with the backbone, which is formed from a nitrogen and two carbons. The gray tubes are going to represent atomic bonds, so we're going to connect the nitrogen to the two carbons together. And this is how all amino acids have this backbone, as well as all protein structures. They follow this same pattern, NCC, NCC. Next, we're going to work on the amino group end. So the hydrogens are white molecules, and the amino group has 3 hydrogens on it, which gives it a positive charge over the nitrogen. Then we're going to look at the carbonyl end, the opposite end of the molecule, and these white tubes represent double bonds, and the red is the oxygen. So we have a double bonded oxygen and then a single bonded oxygen, and this oxygen is missing a hydrogen, and so it's negatively charged on this end. So this is what we've got so far. Our 2 ends have groups on them, and we're ready to work on the central carbon. So this central carbon always has 1 hydrogen on it, no matter what else is bonded to it. And then we have an R group, which is represented by this green little ball here. And this green ball can represent multiple groups, including maybe another single hydrogen. It could represent an OH group. It could also represent something as large as an attached methyl group, which is a carbon with 3 more hydrogens on it. So the green ball represents quite a few, could represent quite a few different molecular arrangements. So we're going to replace our methyl group back with the green ball. So just keep in mind that this green ball represents any type of molecular arrangement. So here we're going to do it really fast. So we're going to build the amino group end, connect it to a carbon, connect it to another carbon, making our NCC backbone. Then we have our carbonyl group with our double bonded oxygen and our single bonded oxygen. Then we have a hydrogen and an R group on the central atom. So this is the conclusion of our amino structure. Thanks for watching.
The sound of a dozen black beetles, each the size of my fingernail, scampering about in a plastic baggie. They came from a single fistful of Oregon soil.